Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Debugging CSS Cascade order can be a bit challenging, but using browser developer tools makes it much easier. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to debug CSS Cascade order using browser DevTools, along with a code example. Understanding CSS Cascade order. CSS Cascade order determines which styles are applied to an element when multiple styles are defined for the same property. The cascade order is determined based on three main principles. 1. Importance. Styles can be marked as important, which overrides all other styles. 2. Specificity. More specific selectors take precedence over less specific ones. 3. Source order. If two styles have the same specificity, the one that comes last in the CSS file takes precedence. Using DevTools to debug CSS Cascade order. 1. Open DevTools. In Chrome, right-click on the page and select Inspect, or press Ctrl+Shift+I, or CMD+Option+I on Mac. 2. Select an element. Use the Elements panel to navigate through the HTML structure. Click on the element you want to inspect. 3. View computed styles. In the right panel, switch to the Styles tab to see all CSS rules applied to the selected element. Here you will see the active styles, with a checkmark. Styles that are overwritten, crossed out. Specificity and importance indicators next to each rule. 4. Check specificity. Hover over the selectors to see their specificity values. Higher values indicate higher specificity. 5. Edit styles live. You can click on any style property and modify its value directly to see how changes affect the rendering in real time. 6. Using the Computed tab. Switch to the Computed tab to see the final computed styles for the element. This shows the actual styles being applied after the cascade has been resolved. Code example. Let's illustrate this with a simple HTML and CSS example. HTML. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Link rel equals style sheet href equals styles.css. Title CSS Cascade debugging /title /head. Body. H1 class equals title hello world /h1. P class equals description. This is a simple example of CSS Cascade debugging /p /body /html CSS styles.css CSS .title color blue / base color * font size 24px .description color green / base color / more specific selector * h1 .title color red / this will override .title / important rule / description color orange important / this will override the green color */ Debugging steps. 1. Inspect the H1 element. Click on the H1 class equals title element in the Elements panel. You should see three rules for the color property. .title, blue. H1 .title, red, more specific. The most specific one, H1 .title, will be applied, so it will appear as red in the preview. 2. Inspect the P element. Click on the P class equals description element. You will see .description, green. .description width, important, orange. The orange color will be applied due to the important rule, overriding the green. 3. Modify styles. You can click on the color property values and change them to see how they affect the rendering. For example, change the color, orange to color, green to test how the importance impacts the styles. Tips for debugging CSS Cascade issues. Use filters. In the Styles panel, you can use filters to hide or show certain styles. Check for inheritance. Some properties can be inherited. Check parent elements for styles affecting child elements. Use comments. Commenting out styles in your CSS can help isolate which rules are causing issues. Browser extensions. Consider using browser extensions like CSS Peeper or Stylus to analyze CSS more thoroughly. Conclusion. Debugging CSS Cascade order can be straightforward with the right tools. By using browser developer tools, you can effectively identify which styles are being applied, understand the cascade order, and make live adjustments to your styles. This method will not only help you debug issues but also deepen your understanding of CSS specificity and cascade behavior.